Alright guys, we're gonna do a back-to-back video. This is gonna be a fender roller one with your boy Cheston. And this is the victim right here. Oh yeah. Shit. Oh, what the fuck's in the trunk?
Yeah! You can fit like 4 or 5 bodies in there, man. That was a good nap.
Alright, cool. Well, since you're out, boy, go ahead and do a little walk around in your car.
Alright, yeah, no, it's a 2017 SS. Whew.
And of course, this is the official grocery getter.
Yeah.
If you don't know what that is, go to Facebook, grocery getters.
There we go. Yeah, no, it's a nice little family car, 4-door.
And look at this. He's tearing them wheels up, boys.
Yeah.
God dang.
That's the big deal we got right now is we need to roll the fenders. We're chewing up tires right now. But like I said, it's 2017 SS. You know, it's a grocery getter, like you said. Got the kid seat in the back, everything. Nice little fun toy. It is. It's got fuel system done, full exhaust. Nice little D1 Pro Charger setup, all of that. It's a little dirty, but you know, hey.
Got the sun. Oh yeah, pretty good setup.
It's a fun little car. We are chewing up tires though, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can fix that. That way, once we get it retuned and all that, we can.
Dang, yeah, it is tearing up bad. Look at that.
Sorted out.
The front even, but yeah. I think the front already cleared itself.
Yep. Yeah. I think the front rolled its own.
Where's
fender.
that tool at?
Yeah, we got the little Eastwood fender roller.
Yeah, and, he's gonna help too.
Yeah.
We're gonna try this bad boy out. We didn't feel like using the baseball bat today.
We give that a shot. We got a little heat gun we bought too. We don't script.
Harbor Freight style.
Yep.
All right. Well, we're gonna jack up, do some, you know, speed up footage, and get going.
Oh no, we're just making the paint a little more pliable, malleable. If you don't heat it up, I mean you don't have to, you can work your way pretty easily, but you run the risk of possibly cracking along this edge right here. And if you crack it, it's just going to start chipping away slowly. Better just to go ahead and be on the safe side, that way I won't tear it up any worse. I know I already got some issues with paint, but we're going to keep it better than worse. So we'll go ahead, warm it up, slowly kind of work our way in. Awesome. Nice. Looks good.
I got you. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Wax on.
I wax off all the time. I wax off good. Damn it. Okay, that's good. It's not. Let's keep going.
Bro, smart though. There's this lamp we can stand up on, like a touch.
Get some inside shot.
Yeah. A little dusty, huh? Put your hand in there. Yeah, put your finger right here.
Chevy SS.
Alright guys, we're going to show them the one we haven't done yet, how sharp the freaking fender was. Look at that, dude. Cutting into it hard.
Oh, damn. That's why the tire keeps getting...
Yeah, look at that. That's your tire. Just so y'all know. Other side smooth, it worked. Watch it, check it out. Did you actually see the smoothness?
Yeah, now you can test it with that.
And then, here, let's get a nice fresh piece. Look at that, way better. Nothing, guys. Way better. This tool works pretty good. Eastwood. It takes forever to get here, though. Just so you know.
Back ordered.
Back ordered.
Hey, doing it?
That's fucking chilies are harder, I think. Woo! Yeah. The chilies are harder, I think. Right.
Yeah, that was rougher.
It's like because it's carbonated,
Yeah,
bro.
wasn't as good as our first one for sure.
Oh, it tastes like a bucket of asshole. Yeah.
Alright. High five. Yeah, give him a high five.
High five. Hey. High five. Yeah, I need both hands. There's one there too.
I want you to check it out. Lincoln, here. Start rolling the fender. Here. Hey, roll the fender for us.
Buddy.
Here. There you go. Roll the fender, buddy.
Let's go.
This is babies rolling fenders. Alright, this is how we do it, guys. So, he's gonna get on here and we're gonna roll this fender. Show us how to do it, buddy. Yeah, you gotta loosen that, tighten it where you need it to be. Sweet. That's how to roll fenders, boys.
Just
That's awesome.
should be about good.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. That's really good.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright guys, so we finished rolling the fenders. Hopefully it won't tear his tires up anymore. It's really smooth. We showed you the test, all that. Pretty awesome. What you think? Oh yeah, you got a tire in your hand? Hopefully you won't have no more of that. Right? It's funny. Is Cheston's car fast? Tell me.
No.
I think that was a no. I think that was a no, boys.
Hello.
But like always, we do what you do, guys. You like,
Subscribe.
Vote 2020 for Trump, baby.
Damn, close enough.
all right, straight up.
Bernie 2020.
Let's do it.
Yeah, fuck off. God, he's already gone. Oh, that's how we leave.